Have you ever found yourself with USDT on Uphold, wondering how to get it into your pocket? You're not alone. Many users navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency, only to hit a snag when it's time to cash out. While Uphold is a fantastic platform for managing various digital assets, withdrawing Tether, USDT, isn't always as straightforward as a traditional bank transfer. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to successfully withdrawing your USDT from Uphold. The first crucial step is understanding that Uphold doesn't directly support withdrawals of USDT to a bank account in the same way it might for traditional fiat currencies. Instead, the most common and efficient method involves converting your USDT to a more readily withdrawable asset, typically a fiat currency like USD or Euro, or another cryptocurrency like XRP or Litecoin, which often have lower withdrawal fees and faster transaction times on other platforms. Let's break down the process. Your initial move will be to log into your Uphold account. Once logged in, navigate to your USDT balance. You'll see an option to transact or convert. Select this. Here's where you choose what you want to convert your USDT into. If your goal is to eventually withdraw to your bank, converting to USD or Euro directly within Uphold is usually the most direct path. Alternatively, if you plan to move your funds to another exchange for further trading or different withdrawal options, converting to a crypto with low transfer fees like XRP is a smart play. Once you've made your conversion, let's say to USD, the next step is to initiate a withdrawal from your USD balance. Uphold offers several withdrawal methods for fiat currencies, including bank transfers via ACH in the US or SEPA in Europe, and sometimes debit card withdrawals. You'll need to link your bank account if you haven't already. This usually involves providing your bank details and undergoing a verification process, which can take a few business days. If you opted to convert your USDT to another cryptocurrency like XRP, your withdrawal process will look different. You'll navigate to your XRP balance and select the Send to Crypto Network option. Here, you'll need the wallet address of the external exchange or wallet where you want to send your XRP. Double-check this address meticulously. Sending crypto to the wrong address is often irreversible. Input the amount you wish to send, review the transaction details, including any network fees, and confirm. Once the XRP arrives at your external wallet or exchange, you can then sell it for your local currency and initiate a withdrawal to your bank from that platform. Always remember to factor in transaction fees and processing times, which can vary depending on the asset and the withdrawal method chosen. A little planning can save you time and money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.